I'm with Coach Ken. He will share his thoughts as a life coach at bakit ginagawa yun and what ginagawa niya as a life coach. Okay.
Hi everyone, Coach Ken. About life coaching, when I experienced having a life coach, ang goal ko lang talaga before nun is magkaroon ng magandang negosyo. Successful financially. However, when I get to experience life coaching, it integrated my personal and professional life at the same time. I embraced things na hindi ko in-expect na may integrate ko pa. That is number.
Well, I'm doing life coaching kasi nga nakita ko siya as an opportunity to help yung mga students natin in practically discovering their best version. Mas gusto natin talaga mas makatulong sa kanila, mas makakita pa nila ng kanilang mga infinite possibilities. To help them discover kung ano pa yung mga possibilities na pwede.
Okay, so that's Coach Glenn at ang tita yan. And that's Coach Ken. Oh, great. What's life coaching for you?
Life coaching for me is all about giving love, supporting someone to achieve their highest version.